Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to discuss about polar form and exercise 2.7 related some example also. So moving to first example 2.22. What is the question? Find the modulus and the principal argument of the following complex number. So we have to find a two type, one name modulus, second name principal argument. Modulus it will be very easy. So but principal arguments depends upon the formula. So totally it depends, simply we can say unit circle. So totally 4 quadrant, isn't it? So 4 quadrant means 0 to 90 it's called first quadrant. Then 90 to 180 it is called second quadrant. 180 to 270 it's called third quadrant. 270 to 360 it's called fourth quadrant, isn't it? So it lies on argument first quadrant means angle value, the theta it's called alpha. It lies on second quadrant means theta is called pi minus alpha. Then it lies on third quadrant means theta is equal to alpha minus pi. Fourth quadrant means just opposite. First to 4 opposite. So theta negative alpha will come. Okay, this is one of the important terms. This is a unit circle. It's totally 4 quadrant available is there. So one of the easy also. Okay. So now moving to one by one. Modulus, isn't it? The first question root 3 plus I, isn't it? So just to consider for Z means Z is equal to root 3 plus I. So from this complex term x is equal to what is the value? Root 3. Y is equal to positive 1. If you take modulus of Z means square root of x square plus y square. X square means root 3 the whole square plus y square means 1 square. Again root 3 the whole square means 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is called modulus of Z. If you remove the square means answer will be 2. So modulus of Z value true. Then what we need to find it actually? Principal argument. Before moving to the argument, already we know x also positive, y also positive. So both the term will be positive means definitely we can say it lies on first quadrant 0 to 90 interval, isn't it? So it lies on first quadrant means okay, just I will show it. It lies on first quadrant. First quadrant also what is the value? Root 3 plus I. So this is called alpha, isn't it? So now how to find out the alpha actually? That is argument term. Argument is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x. So again alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y is equal to 1 x value root 3, isn't it? Root 3. So definitely alpha is equal to tan inverse root 3 means tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 means pi by 6, isn't it? So pi by 6. So tan 30 degree pi by 6 means definitely alpha value, what is the value? Alpha is equal to pi by 6. So already we know both of x also positive, y also positive. So both will be positive means it lies on first quadrant, isn't it? So it lies on first quadrant. It lies on first quadrant means theta is equal to alpha. Therefore alpha is equal to, we found 5 by 6. So theta is equal to pi by 6. This is our first one value. Principal argument and modulus also Z is equal to modulus Z value true, isn't it? So moving to subdivision true. So subdivision true, consider for Z means question minus root 3 plus I. So x is equal to minus root 3, y is equal to positive 1. Then how to find out the modulus of Z? X square means minus root 3 the whole square plus 1 square. Again modulus of Z is equal to minus root 3 whole square means 3 plus 1. Then modulus of Z is equal to 4 means value will be true, isn't it? So modulus is over, but different sign, isn't it? X is equal to negative, y is equal to positive 1. So in negative, y positive means definitely it lies on second quadrant, isn't it? It lies on how to comparing. This is called x means this is called x dash. X dash means negative form. So negative, okay, this is a negative term. Positive y. It's come to here 1 means definitely we can say it lies on second quadrant, isn't it? So it lies on second quadrant means value will be minus root 3 plus 1, isn't it? Value will be minus root 3 plus I. Therefore, how to find out the argument value? Argument is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x. Again alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y is equal to 1 by minus root 3. If you remove the modulus means all the term will be positive, isn't it? So alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. Again 30 degree, no? So 30 degree means alpha is equal to pi by 6. But x is negative, y is positive. So definitely we can say it lies on second quadrant. It lies on second quadrant. So it lies on second quadrant means theta is equal to, what is the value? Theta is equal to pi minus alpha, isn't it? So theta is equal to pi minus alpha means pi alpha is equal to pi by 6, isn't it? Now cross multiply means, so cross multiply means theta is equal to 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi by 6. So value will be 5 pi by 6, isn't it? 5 pi by 6. This is called theta for subdivision true. Moving to subdivision third, isn't it? Subdivision third means z consider minus root 3 and minus I. So x also minus root 3, y also minus 1, isn't it? So modulus of z means what will happen? Square root of minus root 3 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square. Again modulus of z is equal to minus root 3 the whole square means 3 plus 1. Then modulus of z is equal to 4 means, so modulus of z is equal to 2. Modulus is over. Then how to find out the principal argument? According to the unit circle, isn't it? So unit circle means, see, x also negative. So x also negative means come to here. Y also negative. Again, definitely we can say it lies on third quadrant. Third quadrant means value will be minus root 3 and minus I. So how to find out the alpha? Alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x. Again alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y also minus 1, x also minus root 3, isn't it? So minus root 3. So now if you remove the modulus sign means alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. The same value, isn't it? The alpha value definitely 30 degree means pi by 6. But third quadrant, no, it lies on third quadrant. It lies on third quadrant means theta is equal to alpha minus pi, isn't it? So again theta is equal to alpha value pi by 6 minus pi, isn't it? So pi by 6 minus pi means theta is equal to cross multiply means pi minus 6 pi, isn't it? 6 pi by 6. Therefore theta is equal to pi minus 6 pi means minus pi by 6. This is third one answer. Moving to last one from example 2.22, isn't it? The last subdivision. Minus root 3, isn't it? Positive root 3 and minus I. We can say x is equal to positive value, y is equal to minus 1. This is fourth subdivision, isn't it? So modulus of z means square root of x square, again root 3 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square. Again modulus of z is equal to 3 plus 1. So root 4 means modulus of z value is equal to true. Then do in unit circle means what will happen? Fourth quadrant, isn't it? Because x will be positive, here will come, y will be negative. So fourth quadrant means alpha term. This is considered for positive root 3 and minus I. Then how to find out the alpha? Alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x. Again alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x means minus 1 by root 3. Therefore alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. Definitely we can say this is also 30 degree. 30 degree means pi by 6, isn't it? So pi by 6, if it lies on 5, it lies on actually, it lies on which quadrant? Fourth quadrant, isn't it? It lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means already you know theta is equal to minus alpha. Therefore, directly we can write it. Theta is equal to minus pi by 6. This is a subdivision 4 answer, isn't it? So please listen, my dear students. Sometimes 3 more questions will possible. So 4 subdivision is that they will give any one subdivision. Okay. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. I will continue the next example 2.23. So what is the question? Example 2.23. Represent the complex number given 2 subdivision or to convert in polar form. So polar form means first I am going to consider subdivision 1. What is the question? Minus 1 minus I. First general term of polar. So normally basic the polar form term, how to consider r of cos theta plus I sin theta. So basic polar form. So basic polar form, first we need to find out the r and theta also. How to find out the r? First we have to take it. What is the value of x? Minus 1. What is the value of y? Y also minus 1. Then r means square root of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square means x square also minus 1. Then y square also minus 1. Therefore r is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. R is over. Now we need to find out the theta. How to find out the theta? Alpha, isn't it? Alpha means tan inverse modulus of y by x. So alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of minus 1 divided by minus 1, because x also minus 1, y also minus 1. So alpha is equal to tan inverse 1 means pi by 4, isn't it? 40 pi, no? 45 means tan 1 will come. So pi by 4. Alpha is equal to pi by 4 means, listen very carefully. So both the term x also negative, y also negative, isn't it? It lies on unit circle. So x also negative, y also negative, it lies on third quadrant. So third quadrant means minus 1 minus I, isn't it? So now it lies on third quadrant. Lies on third quadrant means what is the value of theta? Second quadrant, already we know pi minus alpha. Just change opposite. So alpha minus pi, isn't it? Alpha minus pi means theta is equal to alpha minus pi. So alpha is equal to what is the value? Pi by 4. So pi by 4 minus only pi, isn't it? Then cross multiply means pi minus 4 into 5 means 4 pi by 4. Again theta is equal to pi minus 4 5 means minus 3 pi by 4. Then we need actually polar form in general. General term means just add with 2k5. The basic polar form, what is the term? So minus 1 minus I is equal to r value we found. What is r value? Root 2. So root 2, then cos of theta value minus 3 by 4, isn't it? So minus 3 pi by 4, then plus I sin minus 3 pi by 4. Now last year in trigonometric portion, cos of minus theta and sin of minus theta. Cos of minus theta means cos theta, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Otherwise, very shortcut also, we are applying so many problems. All student take chocolate. It lies on second quadrant means definitely we can say sin only positive, remaining cos and tan will be negative. As well as it lies on fourth quadrant means cos only positive, remaining sin and tan will be negative. There, so look at there, each term here also negative, here also negative. So both the term will be negative means it lies on fourth quadrant, because theta is equal to minus. So fourth quadrant means definitely cos will be positive. Cos of minus theta also cos theta, otherwise sin of minus theta. You can apply it. This is a normal method. This is, we are applying so many problems. If you know these two lines, it will be utilized so many problems. Okay, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, as well as sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So again, how to rearrange it? So r value is equal to, we know, root 2. Therefore basic form minus 1 minus I is equal to root 2. Cos of minus theta means cos theta. Therefore, we can write now cos 3 pi by 4. Then sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. Therefore, minus sin 3 pi by 4. Therefore, this is the basic form. Then what is the meaning of general term of polar form? General term of polar form means x plus iy is equal to r into cos of theta plus 2k pi plus I sin into theta plus 2k pi. So, its k belongs to set. Now, x plus iy, what is the name? What is the value? Minus 1 minus I is equal to r value we found root 2 again cos of theta value. Just now we have replaced it, isn't it? This is one of the value, but add only the 2k pi, isn't it? Therefore, cos of 2k pi plus 3 pi by 4, then minus I sin 2k pi plus 3 pi by 4, isn't it? This is the general term of polar form. Okay, subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. Question 1 plus I root 3, isn't it? Subdivision 2, 1 plus I root 3. The same basic form r into cos theta plus sin theta. What is the value of x? 1. What is the value of y? Root 3, isn't it? Now, how to find out the square root of x square plus y square? X square means 1 plus root 3 the whole square or 1 square. Then r is equal to 1 plus 3. So, r is equal to root 4 means true. So, r term will be over. Now, we need to find out the theta. Theta means alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x. No need to draw because both the term will be positive. If both the term will be positive means we can say it lies on first quadrant. So, first quadrant means what is the meaning? Theta is equal to alpha, isn't it? Therefore, first we need to find out alpha. Alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x means root 3 by 1. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse root 3. So, definitely 60 degree, no? Tan root 3, 60 degree means we can say no pi by 3, isn't it? So, pi by 3 means, so theta is equal to, we can say no, definitely theta is equal to alpha means it lies on, otherwise you can write it the line, okay? It lies on first quadrant. It lies on first quadrant. So, theta is equal to alpha means theta is equal to pi by 3, isn't it? So, theta is equal to pi by 3 means what is the main term basic form? 1 plus I root 3 is equal to r value true, theta value cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3, isn't it? So, now we need to write the general term of polar form. So, general term of polar form means x plus iy is equal to r into cos of theta plus 2k pi plus I sin theta plus 2k pi. So, just add with the basic form, just add with 2k pi only, it's enough. So, how to rewrite now? The given condition 1 plus I root 3 is equal to r value 2, isn't it? Then cos of, already we found pi by 3, isn't it? Therefore, 2k pi plus pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 3. That's all. This is called general term of polar form. Okay. I hope you understand. I will continue the next example 2.24. So continue example 2.24. What is the question? Find the principal argument. Okay, one of the important 3 more question. Given condition, solution. Given condition z is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 plus I root 3. So in numerator only real part is nothing to imagine, just you have to add it 0, isn't it? So z is equal to minus 2 plus 0i divided by 1 plus I root 3. Then taking argument on both sides, okay, taking argument on both sides, what will happen? So argument of z is equal to argument of minus 2 plus 0i divided by 1 plus I root 3. So already we know one property in argument. So argument of z1 by z2 is equal to argument of z1 minus argument of z2, isn't it? So how to rearrange now? So argument z as it is, argument of z is equal to argument of minus 2 plus 0i minus of argument 1 plus I root 3. Already we know one property, that is not a property, that is formula. Argument means alpha is equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x, isn't it? So tan inverse modulus of x, y by x means x is equal to value will be minus 2, y value will be 0, isn't it? But second quadrant definitely we can say second part both time will be positive. Both the time will be positive means we can sure it lies on first quadrant. But in here we have definitely we can say it lies on second quadrant because x value will be negative, y value will be positive. If we make it one organ plane means x will be negative means second, no? Because minus 2 comma 0. So minus 2 comma 0 means second quadrant. So it lies on second quadrant means theta definitely pi minus alpha. So how to rearrange this line? Listen now, we need actually argument of z, isn't it? So argument of z is equal to, instead of the first line, what is the meaning? Tan inverse y by x, but theta always, what already we know, it lies on second quadrant means pi minus alpha. Therefore we can write now pi minus alpha is equal to, what is the value? Tan inverse. So tan inverse y is equal to 0, then x value minus 2. Then second part minus of, again directly we can write now because it lies on first quadrant. First quadrant means theta is equal to alpha only. Alpha means directly we can write it tan inverse y by x. So y by x means y value root 3, y value root 3, x value will be 1. Therefore argument of z is equal to, there is directly we can write 0 because 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. So pi minus, second part pi minus tan inverse root 3 z, isn't it? Then argument of z is equal to, so pi by 3, no, 60 degree, isn't it? So listen very carefully. So pi by 3 means pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 means answer definitely argument of z is equal to 3 pi minus pi by 3. So value will be 2 pi by 3, isn't it? So now the question also find the principal argument. The property actually, principal argument should be lies on minus pi to positive 5. So minus pi to positive 5 means positive 182, negative 180. So we found what the value? 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 means 2 into 180 by 3. Definitely 180 by 3 into 180 by means definitely 60. Therefore 2 into 60 means 120 degree. See, we can say no, it lies on between minus pi to positive 5. If it lies on positive 120 means definitely the final answer also correct. Argument of z is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is our final answer. Okay. So please listen, my dear students, one of the important 3 more question. Okay. I will continue the next example 2.25. What is the question? Example 2.25. Find the product. Okay. Find the product. So 2 term is there in rectangular form. What is the meaning of rectangular form? X plus iy or a plus ib. It's called rectangular form. So first we'll consider for the given condition Z1 and Z2. Okay, what is the meaning of Z1? R1 into cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Because product, no, this is whole term considered for Z1 means this is whole term considered for Z2 means just we can write Z1 into Z2. So just I have to consider for Z1 into Z2 means what will happen? Z2 also cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Now R1, what is the value? 3 by 2. Then cos of theta 1 is equal to pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Then theta 2 R2 is equal to 9 into cos of 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. So Z1 into Z2 is equal to R1 into R2 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. So R1 is equal to 3 by 2 into 6. Again cos of theta 1 is equal to pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 6. Then plus I sin 5 pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 6, isn't it? So now 2 and 6 cancel means 3 times. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Again cos of equivalent fraction means 3 into 2 means numerator also 3 into 2. Why? Because if you multiply equivalent into 2 means the denominator and we are same. If it denominator we are same means just add the numerator as it is. So 2 into pi means 2 pi. So 2 pi plus 5 pi means 7 pi. So 7 pi by 6 plus I sin 7 pi by 6, isn't it? So now so again how to rearrange now? 9 constant as it is. So 7 pi plus we can write now pi plus pi by 6 cos of pi plus 5 by 6 plus I sin pi plus pi by 6. So then how to rearrange? Pi plus cos pi plus theta means cos pi plus theta, then sin pi plus theta. Cos pi plus theta means minus cos theta. Sin pi plus theta means minus sin theta. So already you learned in last year trigonometric portion. Otherwise the short term all silver teacup is there. Look at there. So definitely we have the angle pi plus pi by 6, isn't it? So this is 0 to 90 or 0 to 2 pi. 90 means pi by 2. 180 means pi. 270 means 3 pi by 2. The condition pi plus means will come to the down. Pi minus means it lies on second, but pi plus means third quadrant. It lies on third quadrant means we can say tan only positive. So here we have both the term cos and sin. That's why cos also negative, sin also negative. So I hope whatever you have considered easy, just you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now how to rearrange? Cos of minus cos pi by 6, then again minus I sin pi by 6, isn't it? Now the normal value, so 9 constant minus cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 means cos 180 by 180 cos 30, isn't it? So root 3 by 2, isn't it? So minus root 3 by 2, again minus I sin pi by 6, sin 30, 1 by 2, isn't it? So 1 by true. Now if you remove the bracket means minus 9 root minus 9 root 3 by true, again minus I 9 by true. This is our final answer, okay, because rectangular form, no, the rectangular form means already you know x plus iy form. This is our final term, 9 minus 9 root 3 by true minus I 9 by true, okay. So please listen, my dear students, practice is make a perfect experience. First you have to learn each by step, then after thoroughly you have to do in homework note without seeing the problem, okay, then only you can understand more, okay. I will continue the next example 2.26. So moving to last example in this conversation, the question find the quotient, okay, in rectangular form, but last question find the product, isn't it? So the quotient, what is the meaning of rectangular form? X plus iy. So first solution, the given condition consider for z1 means r1 into cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Then z2 is equal to r2 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. So now r1 is equal to true, isn't it? So true of cos 9 pi by 4 plus I sin 9 pi by 4. Then r2 means 4 into cos of minus 3 pi by 2 plus I sin into minus 3 pi by 2. So the last problem, product means z1 into z2 is equal to r1 into r2 cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 for product, but here given clearly divide quotient, okay. Quotient means z1 divided by z2 is equal to z1 divided by z2 is equal to r1 by r2, then cos of, there is last one product means theta 1 plus theta 2, but here theta 1 minus theta 2, that is a difference, okay. Then plus I sin into theta 1 minus theta 2. So r1 is equal to true, isn't it? So true by 4, again cos of theta 1 value 9 pi by 4, already there common minus, here also minus, therefore minus into minus, plus 3 pi by 2, again plus I sin into 9 pi by 4, second term also look at there minus sign, here also common minus, isn't it? So minus into minus plus 3 pi by 2. Now first we have to show the denominator common. What we have to do, the second term 2 is there, equivalent fraction into 2 means numerator also we have to multiply into 2. So now we can say common denominator. If it common denominator means simply we can add it in numerator term. 9 pi plus 2 into 3 means 6 pi. So 9 pi plus 6 pi is equal to 15 pi, isn't it? So 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 will come. So 1 by 2, then cos of 15 pi by 4, then plus I sin into 15 pi by 4, isn't it? So now so 1 by 2 constant, then cos 15 pi by 4, isn't it? 15 pi by 4 plus I sin 15 pi by 4. So how to split 15 pi by 4? Look at there, 15 pi and 15 pi. In true way, one way definitely 14 pi plus 5, another one way 16 pi minus 5, but divided by 4 is there, isn't it? If you take divided by 4 means here divided by 4 not possible, but here divided by 4 means possible, no. So we can split it 15 pi, 16 pi minus pi by 4, isn't it? So 1 by 2, then cos of 16 pi minus pi by 4 plus I sin into 16 pi minus pi by 4. So now again 1 by 2 cos of, so 16 pi by 4 means 4 pi we can consider it. So 4 pi minus pi by 4 plus I sin into again 4 pi minus pi by 4 pi minus pi by 4. This is already we know the last trigonometric proportion, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Pi means what will happen? This is 2 pi, then 4 pi, 6 pi it's moving on here. Pi by 2 that is called pi, 270 it's called 3 pi by 2. So now the condition 4 pi minus, so 4 pi plus means we can say it lies on first two, but this is again down means lies on fourth quadrant means all silver tea cup means cos, therefore we can say cos of 4 pi minus theta is equal to cos, because cos will be positive, cos theta, but sin of 4 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, so how to rewrite now? So 1 by 2 cos of 4 pi means cos pi by 4, because cos of 4 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos pi by 4. Again there is minus, therefore minus I sin pi by 4, isn't it? So now 1 by 2 cos pi by 4. 45 now 1 by root 2 sin 45 also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. Again each and every time into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2, then minus I into 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore conjugate we can write it 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. So again conjugate means both side into root 2 means what will happen? 1 into root 2 divided by 2 root 2 into root 2, again minus 1 into root 2 divided by 2 root 2 into root 2. What will happen? So 1 into root 2 means root 2 divided by root into root 2 means 1 2 come outside, therefore already we have another one 2. 2 into 2 4 is there, isn't it? Therefore root 2 by 4 minus I root 2 by 4. This is actually rectangular form, x minus I y. This is actually x plus I y form means root 2 by 4 minus I root 2 by 4. This is our final term. Otherwise you can stop up to here also. Okay, this is stop. If you remove the bracket, this is for your understanding, it will be shortcut. One more term will become, but number will be reduced, isn't it? This is our final term. Okay, so please listen my dear students. So I hope in this conversation we have very satisfied. Then I will continue one more example also available, that is 2.27 and continuation of exercise 2.7. In exercise 2.7 some important question also is there. Anyway you can try to your own self, do homework actually. Exercise 2.7 question number 1 given 4 subdivision. Okay, try to do your 4 subdivision also easy, because polar form with the complex. Then rectangular form also is there. Rectangular form also this is the same concept like example 2.26 and 2.25. So one product question is there, one quotient, that is a divide question is also is there. Try to do your homework exercise 2.7 question number 1 and 2. So don't worry my dear students, I am always with you, but you have to do practice is make a perfect experience. Do more practice. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.